Wondering whether learning healthcare online will give you the practical skills you need to be ready for the workforce? All Australian Paramedical College courses from Cert 3 to Diploma include in-person clinical workshops. Consistently rated as the highlight of students' study experience, clinical workshops will give you the opportunity to get hands-on and interact with fellow students and APC trainers.
It's been really exciting to just go through that process of actually working with medics and paramedics, and just makes the whole experience really enjoyable.
Glean firsthand from their experience and passion for healthcare, and put everything you've learnt online into practice using both real-world and state-of-the-art training simulation equipment in practical exercises and realistic scenarios.
The workshops develop confidence in your own ability, and to get the quantity of hands-on that you get in the workshops is priceless.
After completing clinical workshops, Certificate 4 and Diploma students will be ready to gain industry experience on clinical placement, while Certificate 3 students will have the skills they need to start work in patient transport.
So I finished my workshop on the Friday, had the interview Monday afternoon, and found out Monday night that I got the job.
Everything that I did at APC set me up as a winner because I had already had that hands-on experience utilising it.
Workshops run over 5 consecutive days and are held throughout the year at multiple central locations across Australia. With clinical workshops, you can enjoy the convenience of studying healthcare from home while also gaining the hands-on skills and confidence you need to succeed.